Andrew Tate case is getting all the attention that it deserves from the public. The Tate brothers have a huge fan following, and even the fans came out on the streets to protest against the authorities in Romania. The brothers are still in custody, despite the fact that the authorities have not been able to prove them guilty of anything they are accused of. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about the Andrew Tate case and the latest appeal, which was denied by the court. Andrew Tate, a dual US-British resident, was kicked off the UK version of Big Brother in 2016 and became well known for his misogynistic comments and hate speech. He has stated that women are partly to blame for rapes and that they belong to males. Tate's website provides training classes on amassing money and male-female interactions. According to the website, he also ran a video studio with the help of his partners. Einsteiner uploading up to get together with. Later, he called the economic strategy a total scam. Tate, a self-help guru who offers his mostly male followers a formula for earning money, attracting girls, and escaping the matrix, has gone from near obscurity to one of the world's most talked about persons in a matter of months. In July, his name received more Google queries than Donald Trump or Kim Kardashian. His meteoric rise to prominence was no accident. According to evidence acquired by The Observer, Tate's fans are being instructed to flood social media with videos of him, selecting the most controversial clips to maximize views and interaction. He was ultimately banned from all major platforms after amassing millions of fans on social media, raising concerns that his videos were radicalizing young males. Tate's Twitter accounts were banned at various periods. In 2021, Twitter verified an account he made to avoid his prior ban, which was against Twitter's rules. The user was later forever banned, and Twitter stated that the verification was done by mistake. Following Elon Musk's acquisition of the business in November, he was restored on Twitter, where his account has 4.7 million followers. Tate ran Hustlers University, a site where users paid a $49.99 monthly membership fee to learn how to make money outside of conventional jobs, such as Bitcoin, copywriting, and e-commerce, using pre-recorded videos and a Discord server. The website used an affiliate marketing scheme in which users were compensated for referring others to the network. Tate rose to prominence in 2022 by urging Hustlers University members to upload a large number of recordings of him to social media platforms in order to optimize interaction. Its website had over 100,000 users as of August 2022. The kickboxer turned influencer was detained in late December on suspicion of human trafficking, rape, and organizing a criminal organization. At the time, Tate's brother Tristan, as well as two Romanian ladies, were jailed. They have all denied any wrongdoing. The Directorate for Investigating Organized Crime and Terrorism in Romania, a team that investigates terrorism and organized crime, announced that it had identified 6 victims who had been subjected to acts of physical violence and mental coercion and were sexually exploited by group members. The two brothers appeared in court today to contest the seizure of their goods, which included 15 luxury automobiles and over 10 residences confiscated by Romanian police. Tate stated that the personal things were confiscated for a variety of reasons, including to keep them from being hidden, to assist pay for the investigation, and to compensate victims if the couple is convicted. In addition, their arrest warrants were extended from 24 hours to 30 days. They were, however, unsuccessful in their appeal. At first, a court prolonged their custody until the end of February, noting the potential of the accused to exercise permanent psychological control over their victims, especially by resorting to frequent acts of violence. The Bucharest Court of Appeals affirmed the ruling. During a brief hearing, the Tate brothers were shackled together in a police vehicle, with Andrew declaring his innocence to waiting reporters. Neither has been charged as of yet. Tina Glandane, the brothers' American legal counsel, who has also represented boxer Mike Tyson and musicians Chris Brown and Kesha, said that their brothers' incarceration without trial for more than 30 days violated their international human rights. Andrew Tate's appeal against his ongoing imprisonment was denied by a Romanian court, and he was ordered to stay in custody until March 29. Tristan, the notorious influencer's brother, will also remain detained. They are being detained in pre-charge custody on charges of human trafficking, rape, and creating an organized crime ring. Mr. Tate planned to fly to Dubai if he was released, but solely for medical exams, according to his lawyer. Reports in Romania outlined phone conversations purportedly made by the brothers from jail, which were supposed to constitute part of the prosecutor's case for extending their incarceration. Their custody had already been prolonged for another 30 days, until February 27. On Monday, the court affirmed that ruling. Eugen Vidiniak, one of the Tate's attorneys, told the BBC that, while the brothers' phone talks in detention were being monitored, nothing they said was unlawful. There is no risk of fleeing, he stated. It was a conversation between Andrew and his secretary in which they agreed that if he was released by the judges under these terms, he would go to Dubai for medical exams. Andrew Tate, a controversial advocate, has promised legal action against at least one of the women who have accused him of rape and human trafficking. According to the woman's lawyers in the United States, a cease and desist letter was sent in December by a U.S. legal company on behalf of Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan. The letter threatened the lady and her parents with a $300 million, £249 million lawsuit if she did not retract her comments. The Tate's counsel stated that they were seeking legitimate slander claims. Lawyers for the Tates verified to the BBC that the cease and desist letter was sent in December as a legal case in the United States for defamation and slander, but denied any intimidation. One of their legal advisors, Tina Glandian, said it was not unusual for them to pursue legitimate legal claims for slander. The fact that the Tates are currently imprisoned is not an excuse for them not to seek their legal rights, she said. The probe into the rape and human trafficking claims is thought to be based in part on the testimony of 6 women. No accusations have yet been filed. According to the Tate's legal team, the brothers submitted criminal complaints in Romania last April against 2 women, one of whom was the witness who got the cease and desist letter in December. Ms. Glandian stated that the criminal complaints were made in April in reaction to allegations that the Tate siblings were holding 2 women against their will. She claims that the 2 accused victims have received murder threats. They're frightened to death, their attorneys say. They are both hiding out. They believe they can't remain anywhere because people are looking for them. Authorities have taken great efforts to keep the identities of the 6 women in their case private. However, some people's complete identities have been published on social media. The identities of 2 witnesses were even mentioned in a BBC statement from the Tate's U.S. communications staff. They are not being named openly by the BBC. While in detention, Andrew Tate and his sibling do not have access to their social media accounts, but they have amassed a large and devoted online following. Some accounts appear to be completely staffed, sharing videos and papers on a regular basis in order to discredit the evidence of witnesses and other women making accusations against the Tates. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that we were able to answer all the questions in your mind regarding the latest appeal. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.